Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to put multiple pictures on one Instagram story on Android. Okay, so guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, I'm going to show in my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, you can follow the same step. So let's start with the video. So guys, I'm on my mobile screen, so I'm going to open the Instagram. First, I suggest you please update your Instagram application. Now. Just go to the story. You can add story from here, or you can click on this plus icon. You can add story. Just click on story, and here you can see your mobile camera will be open. Okay, so here I am on my story. So you need to click a photo. So I just click photo. So yeah, the photo has been taken. Now you have to go with this three dot and go to the draw. In draw section you will see all colors. Okay, so take any colors from here. So I just take color this one, choose this one color, and it will become here. Now you have to press within the photo and just hold for 1 second. Press and hold 1 second and just leave. It will be, your background will be changed with the same color. Now just click done. Now you have to go in sticker. In sticker you have to find the option, just scroll down. Okay, you can see this option. Just scroll down. If you don't see here, okay, just scroll down. This option you have to find and just click on it. Now you have to select the photos from your phone. So this is photos which I have in my phone. So I just have to select the photos. So I just select this one. Okay, so it will be come up. You can drag anywhere, you can resize it. Okay, and you have to add again. Go to the sticker, go to the same option. Now select the photos, and you can just resize it and drag it as per your requirement. Okay, so you can add multiple photos as per your requirement. So that is how then you can add multiple photos on Instagram story from Android. So now you have to go in, click on this next, and you can make story by sharing it for your Instagram story. Just share it. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.